Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me.
Hold on, I want to get your hand off your chest. I want to see you. I want to watch your breathing, okay?
Sit down. Let's get a sit down. Sit down. Try to calm yourself down. Try to calm yourself down. Calm yourself down for her. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Calm down. Calm down. Shh. 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 You gotta calm down for her. Calm down for her.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter
Just talk to her. Say her name. Say her And calm down. You gotta calm down. Calm down. Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Hold on. Keep her down. Keep her down.